In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a zip code to your vanilla gift card. Now, this is actually a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to add your zip code to the vanilla gift card, you want to head over to the official Vanilla MasterCard website. And once you are on their homepage, it will look something like this. Now from here, they have this bit on the page that says manage your card. And here you can check your balance and review your transactions. But as you can see down here, it says card registration is currently under planned maintenance. And in order to add our zip code to vanilla gift card, we will actually have to go through the card registration process. So what you can try do is check your balance and then log into your account. And from there, if they have finished the maintenance, you may be able to actually register your card. However, if it's not possible, what I'd recommend you to do is actually go up to the top right corner and click contact. And then you can actually reach a customer care representative by calling this number here or writing to them. When you get in contact with them, you want to tell them how you're trying to add your zip code to your vanilla gift card. However, the website is not letting you register it. From there, they will give you the exact process specific to the card you have, which should solve any doubts that you may be having. So that's how you can add the zip code to your vanilla gift card. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.